In this update, I'm going to share ABBvie price action over the last quarter, my option purchases, and the overall investment performance. Over the last quarter, ABBvie has closed the price gap created following the announcement that the acquisition of Cerevel Therapeutics failed to live up to expectations in a pair of phase 2 studies for schizophrenia, sending the drug maker's shares down up to 13% on Monday, November the 11th, 2024. AbbVie acquired Cerevel in August of 2024 for $8.7 billion. The reaction to the news dropped the market capitalization of AbbVie by about $44 billion. AbbVie's share price continued to fall for 3 days following the announcement, wiping out nearly $60 billion of market cap, hitting the price support at about $165 per share. The stock consolidated for the next 2 months, recovering only 8%, or $21 billion in market cap before the Q4 earnings report on January the 31st. The earnings exceeded initial guidance despite the headwinds from the patent expiration of its Humira product. The pipeline replacements of Skyrizi and Rinvoq are expected to generate nearly $24 billion in combined sales in 2025, reflecting a $6 billion increase year over year. AbbVie raised its 2027 combined sales guidance for these assets to over $31 billion, driven by strong share capture and market expansion. Skyrizi and Rinvoq delivered annual sales of $17.7 billion in 2024, with Skyrizi achieving 57.9% operational growth and Rinvoq at 47.1%. The CFO confirmed 2025 EPS guidance to be between $12.12 per share and $12.32 per share. AbbVie price fell 4.58% following the earnings report in January of 2024, but rose 3.38% at the July 2024 report, 6.36% at the October 2024 report, and 4.70% at the January 2025 report. The share price is now approaching the $201.97 all-time high close that occurred on October the 31st, 2024. The RSI is in overbought territory with an RSI above 70. The MACD is positive with the buy signal still in place. On January the 10th, I sold a covered call expiring on February the 21st with a price target of $195, which is what I expected to be resistance. The premium received was 77 cents per share. On 2/19, I had to roll that covered call to a June 20th expiration with a price target of $210 and a premium of $4.80 per share. When we look at the analysis of my AbbVie share transactions, I initially started building a position in December of 2020. Each of these lines represents one of the tranches that I purchased, and if it's highlighted in this green color, then I've sold those positions at some point and locked in the price that I sold it for, so it shows my gain and loss and the return on that particular tranche of shares. I still have 200 shares that are open. The earliest one is from August 9th of 22. So you can see I have 25 shares each in these 3 tranches. And anyway, you can see these purchases. So I have 200 shares that I'm holding now, with a total that I've purchased of 1,218 for a total of 160,000. Sold 100. If I sold them all today, it would be 198,000. I'm still holding about 29,000 at my cost basis. So if I sold them all today, that'd be about a $37,000 profit, 23.5%. Since the time that I purchased these, I've received $6,540.60 in dividends, which is 4.1%. And I've also traded options with a profit of $1,489.20, which gives me a total profit on this at $45,800 or 28.5%. So with these gains, including the dividends and the options, I actually have a negative cost per share at this point. So I'm playing with house money, as they call it. If we look at the return of the total investment, had I held everything, it'd be about $45,000 on an investment of $160. The total return would be 28.5 annualized. Since the time that I've held it would be 26.77. And the return for my current investment is the 45,000, but I only have 29,000 invested. So the total return on that particular remaining portion of my investment is 155%, or annualized at 89.55%. So that's a quick update on my ABBvie shares. If you are interested in ABBvie or you hold ABBvie, let me know in the comments below. We'll talk to you again soon and have a great day. Thank you.